Fire has been perceived by humans since ancient times not only as a source of warmth, but also as a factor that influences the body and inner balance. People gathered around fire, slept near hearths, cooked food over flames, and noticed that near fire breathing becomes deeper, muscles relax, and internal tension decreases. Today, many of these sensations can be explained through physics and physiology. Fire is a source of electromagnetic radiation. Most of it consists of long-wave infrared radiation and visible light. It is the long-wave infrared radiation emitted by fire that has the most gentle and physiological effect on the human body. These waves are much longer than visible light and ultraviolet radiation. They do not damage molecules, do not ionize tissues, and do not harm cells. Long-wave infrared radiation interacts primarily with water molecules, which are abundant in our body tissues. Under its influence, molecular vibrations increase, microcirculation improves, blood vessels gently expand, and muscle tension decreases. This type of radiation works softly and deeply, creating conditions for relaxation and recovery. It is important to understand that the radiation from fire differs significantly from sunlight. Sunlight contains a high proportion of short-wave radiation, including ultraviolet, which in large doses can cause tissue damage and oxidative stress. Fire, on the other hand, emits almost no ultraviolet radiation. Its spectrum is shifted toward long-wave infrared radiation, which the body ives as natural and safe warmth. That is why heat from fire feels different from direct sunlight. Infrared radiation from fire also affects the nervous system. It promotes activation of the parasympathetic nervous system, the system responsible for relaxation, recovery, and a sense of internal safety. The soft light of flames, their rhythmic movement, and warmth create a predictable, natural environment to which humans have adapted over thousands of years. When fire directly affects water, temporary changes occur. Molecular movement increases, gas solubility changes, and temperature rises. These effects do not permanently alter the structure of water and internal physiological processes. The language has changed, but the essence remains the same. Fire creates conditions in which both the body and the mind can shift into a more balanced and stable state.